look at this. Normally, I get excited by performance figures, 0 to 60s, top speeds, that kind of thing. But look at this. I'm averaging 80 miles per gallon. And this isn't some plug-in hybrid with hyper-inflated efficiency numbers. This is a regular Honda Civic.
Reliability isn't about flashy screens, mood lighting, or how futuristic your dashboard looks. It's about one simple thing. Does your car still start, drive, and behave like it should when everyone else is panicking over repair bills? Honda has built its reputation on longevity, but here's the truth most people don't like hearing. Not every Honda is equally reliable. Some models are absolute tanks that shrug off abuse and age gracefully. Others look great on paper, but develop expensive problems once the warranty clock runs out. So, if you're buying used in 2026 or planning to keep a car until it hits 250,000 to 300,000 miles, this list is for you. These are the Hondas that consistently deliver low maintenance, strong engineering, and real-world durability. Introduction: why reliability matters more than ever in 2026. Modern cars are getting more complex every year. Turbochargers, hybrid systems, giant infotainment screens, driver assist cameras, it's all impressive, but every extra system is another potential failure point. In 2026, reliability isn't just a nice-to-have, it's financial survival. A single transmission or battery failure can cost more than the car is worth. That's why boring, proven engineering is suddenly very exciting again. How this list was created: real-world ownership data. This list is based on long-term owner reports, fleet usage data, and reliability trends across multiple markets. These are cars that stay on the road, not just on dealership lots. Long-term durability versus new tech complexity. We favored naturally aspirated engines, proven transmissions, and mature hybrid systems over brand new experimental tech. Maintenance cost and mechanical simplicity. Low annual maintenance and easy serviceability were major deciding factors. Number 10. Honda CR-V 2019 to 2021. Why these years are the sweet spot? These CR-Vs represent Honda's fully sorted phase. Earlier versions struggled with oil dilution and CVT tuning. By 2019, those issues were largely resolved. Engine and transmission reliability. The 1.5-liter four-cylinder and improved CVT combination is smooth, simple, and durable. Ownership costs and longevity. Owners regularly report 250,000 plus miles. Annual maintenance about $600 to $900. With proper servicing, 300,000 miles is realistic. Number 9. Honda Civic 2022 to 2024. Back to basics Honda engineering. Honda went conservative again, and it worked. Powertrain simplicity. The naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine and matured CVT are a rock-solid combo. Real-world mileage expectations. Many examples are already surpassing 200,000 miles with ease. Maintenance costs about $400 to $600 annually. Number 8. Honda Odyssey 2019 to 2021. The minivan that refused to die. Families and fleet operators love this generation. V6 strength and transmission improvements. The 3.5-liter V6 paired with a 10-speed automatic is brutally reliable. Family and fleet durability. 275,000 to 300,000 miles is common with routine maintenance. Number 7. Honda Civic Hybrid 2022 to 2024. Hybrid without the headaches. Honda finally nailed its hybrid tuning here. Battery longevity and simplicity. The eHEV system is surprisingly low stress and reliable. Fuel savings versus reliability trade-off. Owners regularly hit 250,000 plus miles, annual maintenance around $400. Number 6. Honda Jazz 2019 to 2021. Small car, big reliability. This hatchback is deceptively tough. Urban use durability, perfect for city abuse and stop and go. Cost of ownership, easily hits 200,000 to 250,000 miles, dirt cheap maintenance. Number 5. Honda Ridgeline 2017 to 2021. The truck that drives like a car. Unibody design, proven V6, smooth ride. Proven V6 platform. The 3.5-liter V6 is legendary for longevity. Towing and daily abuse resilience. 300,000 miles is realistic with good care. Number 4. Honda HR-V 2022 to 2024. The quietly reliable crossover. No drama, no gimmicks, just works. Engine and CVT pairing. Naturally aspirated 1.8-liter plus CVT equals dependable combo. Long-term ownership value. 200,000 to 250,000 miles easily achievable. Number 3. Honda Prologue 2026. Honda's most sensible EV yet. Built on a proven EV platform. Battery warranty and early reliability signs. 100,000-mile battery warranty. Strong early reliability ratings. Maintenance simplicity. No oil changes, minimal drivetrain wear. Number 2. Honda Accord 2018 to 2022. Honda's mid-size gold standard. Comfort, power, and reliability in one package. Powertrain choices and reliability. Naturally aspirated 1.5 and 2.0-liter engines shine. Highway longevity. 250,000 to 300,000 miles is common. Number 1. Honda Pilot 2021. The fully sorted 3-row SUV. Honda fixed earlier drivetrain issues here. V6 durability. The 3.5-liter V6 is nearly indestructible. Real-world high-mileage records. 275,000 plus miles with routine maintenance. What makes Hondas so reliable? Conservative engineering. Honda rarely pushes experimental tech into mass production. Proven platforms. They reuse platforms and engines that already work. Simple maintenance needs. Easy servicing equals less long-term failures. Buying tips for maximum Honda reliability. Service history checks. Always verify maintenance records. Avoiding known bad years. Every model has bad generations, avoid them. Maintenance schedule discipline. Oil and CVT fluid changes are everything. Conclusion. Which Honda should you buy in 2026? If you want maximum reliability with minimal drama, stick with naturally aspirated engines, mature CVTs, and proven hybrid systems. The cars on this list aren't just reliable, they're survivors. Buy one, maintain it properly, and it'll outlast your phone, your furniture, and probably your patience. 1. Are older Hondas more reliable than newer ones? Often yes, simpler engines and fewer electronics means fewer failure points. 2. Which Honda engine lasts the longest? The 3.5-liter V6 and 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinders are legendary. 3. Are Honda CVTs reliable? Post-2018 models are very reliable with regular fluid changes. 4. Is the Honda Prologue safe to buy as an EV? Yes, it uses proven EV architecture and strong battery warranties. 5. How long can a Honda realistically last? With proper care, 300,000 miles is absolutely achievable. Enjoying this content? Please don't forget to leave a review. Subscribe to our newsletter for weekly car buying tips, reliability rankings, and hidden gems that actually last 300,000 miles.